Today, we're exploring the powerful technique of visualization and how it can help you attract wealth into your life. Visualization is more than just daydreaming. It's a deliberate mental practice that can align your thoughts and emotions with your financial goals, creating a pathway to manifest wealth. Begin by finding a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Once relaxed, start to imagine your financial goals as vividly as possible. Picture specific scenarios, such as receiving a substantial paycheck or successfully negotiating a lucrative business deal. Engage all your senses in this process. Feel the texture of the check in your hands. Hear the words of agreement in the meeting. The more detailed your visualization, the more powerful its impact. Consistency is key. Dedicate a few minutes each day to this practice, preferably in the morning to set a positive tone for the day, or at night to reinforce your goals before sleep. Remember, visualization is a tool to align your mindset with your goals or seeking new income opportunities. Embrace the power of visualization and watch as your financial reality transforms.